Hello, everyone, and welcome to Break 1877 for the 2020 Gold Rush Basketball Value Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. It is 10:19 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:19 p.m. Central Time, and 7:19, now 20 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Eric 2 spots, Fab 5, Suze with 2, Kai Pai 2, Lady Vols with 3, Jack with 2, Cal 3, Old School 3, Ness with 2, Riley Gator with 3, and 619 Ranger Medic with 3 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Eric, you're on top. 619 on the bottom once. Twice. Again, we got the NFL draft on tonight. Feels like sports. Closest thing we've had to live sports in a while. Oh man, double click that. Sorry guys. I apologize. I did not mean to double click that. Let me start over. Eric, you're on top. Ranger Medic on the bottom. Once. Twice. Go slower here. 3 times. 4. 5. Need a redo button. 6. And lucky number 7 has Fab on top and bottom. Okay, I apologize. It's 7. Double clicked on that 7th one. Okay, here we go. Fab, you have the Hawks. Ness with the Celtics. 619 with the Nets. Fab with the Hornets. Jack with the Bulls. Suze with the Cavaliers. Kai Pai Mavericks. Ness with the Nuggets. Kai Pai with the Pistons. Riley Gator with the Warriors. Cal with the Rockets. Old School Pacers. Suze with the Clippers. Cal with the Lakers. Joe with the Grizzlies. Lady Vols with the Heat. 619 Bucks. Fab with the Timberwolves. Eric with the Pelicans. Jack with the Knicks. Fab with the Thunder. Old School Magic. Lady Vols with the 76ers. 619 Ranger Medic with the Suns. Cal with the Trailblazers. Riley Gator Kings. Spurs. Old School Raptors. Lady Vols Jazz. And Fab with the Washington Wizards. Good luck, everybody. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. It is not our brand. All right, what are we starting off with here? The Brooklyn Nets, 46 out of 60 rookie tools of the trade, Rondé Hollis Jefferson. I see jersey, basketball, jersey. That's pretty sweet. Tools of the trade rookie for Brooklyn. So you have jersey, basketball, jersey or shorts, something. Tell us. Oh, just used material for Brooklyn. All right. Then for Phoenix, we have DeAndre Ayton. Phoenix Suns Rookie of the Year contenders. So we have Brooklyn, the Spurs, and then we have, I say the Spurs, I meant the Nets, the Suns, and with the Suns back-to-back, Mikal Bridges. Auto, the Suns are double dipping. We don't see that very often. 39 out of 99. Auto. And there's the back. Right? Yeah. That's pretty wild. All right, let's see who has Brooklyn. It does feel like a Friday. All right, Brooklyn's going to 619 Ranger Medic. Congrats. You have 2 Suns. Which normally you don't see more of duplicate teams in the value packs, but we do. So let's see who has the Phoenix Suns. And that's going to 619 Ranger Medic. Congrats, Ranger Medic. 3-pointer in this value pack. And that was 1877 for the 2020 Gold Rush Basketball Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to break 1879 for the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Football Pack. Thanks.